Hello and welcome to my channel. Glad you could join me. I thought I'd like to share how I attached a storage box to the rear rack of my CT125. So I hope you enjoy it. My son gave me this old watertight box a few years back, and I've been waiting for the right place to use it. This will be perfect for camping gear or whatever I need to take when I go riding. So the CT rear rack comes with 4 pre-threaded holes. So I took a couple of letter-size sheets of paper, taped them together, and took a template. I left a little bit of space in front of the box and moved it back a little bit to give me a little bit of extra space to put something in front of the box there on the rack. So after getting the template made by poking a pencil through the paper into the holes, I placed it in the bottom of the box. Centered it to exactly where I wanted it. Taped it all down and drilled the holes. Once I had those drilled, they looked pretty good. I've seen a lot of other people use a sheet of metal as as a large washer on the bottom for strength. So I had an old metal desk out back here, so I figured I'd cut the appropriate size from that. And of course I had to file down the edges, take all the burrs and sharp bits off. Use some sandpaper on that. And then I got the paper template back out, taped that down around the metal, marked where the holes would be to match up with the holes already in the box. Using an awl to make a little dimple to make the drilling easier. And then drilled straight through the metal. It's not very thick metal, so that was easily done. I bought these bolts. This is matching the threads that are already in the rack. I got 28mm, and I found that a good length to go all through the metal, the plastic, and then into a good amount into the rack underneath. Make sure you hand tighten first so you don't do any cross threading. That's looking pretty neat. It's an old box. Somebody had previously taken out the foam makes on the top. I've got a couple of pieces of foam I'm going to put on the bottom and the top. Anyway, I think it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching, and send any comments or likes or whatever.